Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. I wanted to make a video showing you guys how we are installing mulch this year. I've talked about in previous videos that this year we switched from using bulk mulch, in which we had a landscape supplier deliver in dump trucks mulch to our different jobs. They would dump it in the street. Our guys would use a wheelbarrow and pitchforks to transfer that mulch from the street to the beds. And while that worked fine, I had read from other people, other companies, that they were using bag mulch and they thought it was a lot cleaner, a lot more efficient, and faster. My own experience, the few times that we did install bag mulch, I just couldn't believe that, because I don't know about you, but the few times I've installed bag mulch, this is what I did. I would get my bag mulch, we'd carry it from the truck, we'd lay it out in the beds and, spread it out in the beds where it was going to be. And then we'd go back in, cut it open, pour the bags out. It's just a lot of work. And, I was like, man, there's no way this can be easier, because this is going to kill my back bending over all day installing this bag mulch. But after I looked closer and I kind of, watched some other guys and how they did it, I could see what they were talking about. And this year we switched to bag mulch. We get our bag mulch from Lowe's. We get them to deliver pallets here. We've probably gone through about 60 or 70 pallets so far this year. You can actually, if you don't have a local supplier, if you can't find somebody to buy bag mulch from, you can always go talk to the manager at Lowe's or Home Depot. They made us a great deal. We get this for $2 a bag, which equates to about the same price, maybe even a little bit cheaper than buying it in bulk and having it delivered in our area anyways. But even if it was twice as much, it would still be worth it, because there's so much labor savings over bulk mulch. With bulk mulch, it's a lot of work. You got to go out in the street, you got to shovel up with a pitchfork, shovel up in your wheelbarrow, take it to the bed, dump it out, then spread it, then tamp it down. It's just a lot of work. With bag mulch, it's so much easier. So I'm going to show you our new setup this year and how we do mulch. And I was hoping to take you guys on one of our actual mulch jobs, but I just didn't think about it while we were doing them. So I just made up a little mock area here at the shop, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do mulch. So in another video, I showed you how we prep this little area real quickly. And now I'm going to show you how we actually spread mulch. So for this, the thing I love about it is it's very simple. The only tools I need are a hard rake and a wheelbarrow and my mulch. So that's really all I need to be able to spread my mulch. So we're going to go over here. Now, whatever you guys are using, maybe your truck or trailer, however you're hauling your mulch. We bought this old F-250 specifically because it had this box on the back. And this box has two doors that open vertically on both sides. And we can fit a little bit more than one pallet of mulch, which is about close to 5 yards of mulch in this truck. So what we will do is we'll park the truck on the street. We'll come over here. This will be full of mulch. We'll pull up our wheelbarrow, toss it. Now we are using an electric wheelbarrow this year. This is made by ProPaul, and I absolutely recommend this because it's made our lives much easier. But you can use any regular wheelbarrow, 6 or 8 cubic foot wheelbarrow. One thing I like about bag mulch is that with a normal wheelbarrow, I can only fit probably about 8 cubic feet of mulch on here. With this flatbed and these bags, because they're so compact, I can fit almost twice as much per load. So I end up having half as many trips. So I usually load this up with about 6 bags or 12 cubic feet of mulch. And then I'm going to take it over here to our site. So this thing is awesome. Just the push of the button and you just walk behind it. So if you got an extra $700 or $800, I definitely recommend you picking up one of these. But if not, it's still not that hard with a regular wheelbarrow. But I just like to make it as easy as possible. Now, what I used to do is, like I said, I would throw these bags out, then come back later, kind of stage them, then come back later and cut them open and pour them out. Now, this is what I do. I go right here, I'm standing perfectly upright, not wasting any energy. Pop them open like a bag of cereal. Pour my mulch out. While I pour that bag out, go ahead and hand spread it out here. get it nice and smooth. You want a good even coat. You don't want it to be 6 inches deep in one area and, you know, half an inch in another. So you kind of hand smooth it. You're going to find you have a lot less waste like this too. So kind of hand smooth our mulch there. Now with the bag, I just put my empty bag over one of the wheelbarrow handles here. Get my next bag out. Pop it open. They open really easy. Like I said, it's just like a bag of chips or a box of cereal. I didn't know they were made that way until somebody told me that. But it's definitely a game changer. Get this out. Obviously, I'm doing this a little bit quicker than I would on the job just to make the video not so long, but you get the idea. Do one more bag. Take this trash bag right here, put it inside the bag right there. That way I don't have to bend back over on the ground and pick it back up. Put one more bag down. With this, our guys are typically spreading about 20 to 25 bags per hour. So sometimes 30. So that's almost 2 yards an hour that they're actually spreading and finishing. And that's much quicker than typically what you see. They usually say you need to figure about 1 yard an hour for one man with bulk mulch, but we're able to do it much faster here. So what we'll do is we'll go through, we'll hand spread all this and hand smooth it. So you can see the mulch is pretty much ready. We'll go through, do all that, and then we'll take our hard rake. We'll go back in here with this hard rake, and I'll go through and I'll tamp it down. Now this is the key to getting a high quality mulch job, because this gives you a nice smooth finish layer. So I'm going through here. This is really going to make you stand out over your competition. So I'm just gently tamping down this mulch with that spread. It's also going to pack it in there so it doesn't wash out as easily. So as simple as that. So you can see we've got a nice finished product. The mulch looks great. Other benefits to this, besides it being faster and easier on your body, is that we don't have any waste here. So whereas I might have a yard or half a yard of mulch left in the street that I have to either come back over top of and add extra on here, or, you know, load it up in the truck and haul it away, or you might already have it in your truck and you just have to figure out what to do with it. I can use exactly what I need to and bring any excess back to the shop. So that is a very nice thing about it. No cleanup. I'm not spilling the wheelbarrow in the yard. I'm not getting mulch everywhere where it doesn't need to go. It's much cleaner, much faster to finish it up and a lot less mess. So, I hope this video helps. This is what we've been doing, and it's working fantastic this year. We've probably, like I said, we've gone through probably 50 or 60 pallets of mulch. And whereas I was typically sending 2 guys to go do a mulch job, and it might take them 6 or 7 hours, I can send 1 man and he can do that same job in probably 8 or 9 hours. So it's significantly faster, significantly more efficient. And I'm not having my guys using, banging into stuff with wheelbarrows, messing up edging. I'm not, there's just a lot fewer problems. I'm not having my guys standing around waiting for a supplier to deliver the mulch because they're backed up. I'm not having them bring back stuff to the shop and then figure out what we got to do with it, where we're going to store it. So there's just a lot of benefits. But I hope this video helps. If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know. But thanks for watching and have a great day.